Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. Now this is the mask that I got in IPSY this month, so this is going to be a pretty short video trying this out. I'm on Ulta's website right now, and the full size of this costs $23, and you get 2.87 ounces in it. Now this one is 0.35 ounces. It says, paint it on and peel it off to reveal your brightest, clearest complexion. The shimmering I Do Care Disco Kitten mask from Meme Box is definitely out of this world. 20 minutes is all you need with this techie peel-off mask to pamper your face with the queen of all royal treatments. Pearl powder gently exfoliates the skin to brighten the complexion, while diamond powder boosts elasticity and removes impurities to illuminate lackluster skin. Rice bran extract delivers vitamins that moisturize and improve skin's texture, while the superfood oat works as an antioxidant to keep skin healthy and strong. And it recommends you use this 2 times per week on the whole face. So let's go ahead and get on into this. Alright, and I have this synthetic brush that I'm hoping works to put it on. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. This is what it looks like on the brush. Let's see. That's what it looks like on the face. Alright, we have it all applied to the skin. I could already feel it tightening up, so I can barely, it feels like I can barely move my mouth. So this is what it looks like, very shiny. Alright, applying that did take up like half of this sample here, so I think you would only get 2 uses out of this tiny little thing. But right now it feels like it's just tightening on my skin. So I went ahead and I set a timer for 20 minutes, and after the 20 minutes I will be right back to peel it off. Alright, so we're back. I can barely talk, but it is fully dry and already starting to peel off. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to get this off my face. Oh, sorry, got freaking choked by the mask. Oh, well, it's not gonna come off in one piece, but it'll come off in big chunks. Alright, so it looks like it comes off your face pretty easily. It's just the perimeter of my face and like little crevices that aren't coming off right now. Alright, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick and wash off the residue because it's not coming off otherwise. I'll be right back. So I got majority of it off, not all of it. It is, I don't know if that's just my normal skin or not. Usually when I just touch my skin it turns red, but it is getting a little red right here. It is making my face feel really, really smooth and soft, which I love. I love when masks do that. It's such a satisfying feeling. I was really hoping that the mask would come off all in one piece, but this is what remains of the mask remnants. The mask does have a weird scent that could bug you as it is drying on your skin. I started to notice it as the mask was drying. It kind of smells like glue. If glue smell doesn't bother you, then you should be okay. But yeah, this was a cute mask. I don't know if it did anything major, but it does make your skin feel soft. So if this is something that you would want to try out, I would say go for it, as long as you're not expecting any major skincare issues being solved. I guess the mask does do its job because it does say it's a illuminating and smoothing. It definitely did the smoothing part. I don't know if my skin looks glowy or not. If my skin looks any more illuminated than it did before, let me know in the comments. I personally don't see it. But as for the smoothing part, it did its job, and if that's what you're looking for in a mask, then I would definitely recommend it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and go ahead and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!